What's up YouTube, it's Alex Combow here from Snowbound Apothecary. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about making a difference. As people, we all have certain things that we want to do, that we want to make a difference in the world by doing. For example, some people may want to pick up trash, clean the oceans, help feed homeless people, help give people access to water that don't have water. But a lot of the times we take these things and we sort of limit ourselves to doing them because we say, my business hasn't generated X amount of income, I do not have this amount of money that I need to have to start this project up. But you know, one of the most valuable things that we have that we can use is time. We can use our own time. It doesn't cost much money to go out there and pick up trash. It doesn't cost any money to go volunteer at a homeless shelter and help feed people in the kitchen. You know what I mean? Like just helping the kitchen out. You know, it doesn't cost any money. You actually make money for donating plasma. And you're making a difference that way in the scientific community. And really the reason why we want to do these things is because if we don't make a difference in certain areas in the world, then we start to become hardened people. We don't really care about certain things of business. We don't care if our business is destroying the world and just helping us, or if our business is helping the world. And I think it's good to have that fresh outlook that you want your business to do something positive because you are a positive person. You want to take care of your employees because you think about your employees first, because you personally donate your own time and effort to making a difference in the world. And while yes, you would be able to make more of a difference if you had more money, if you had a certain amount of income for your business, but you directly actually supporting the relief is going to personally make you a better person. And the thing about making you a better person is it's going to strengthen you, because the mind, the body, and the soul are all one thing. They're all interconnected in my opinion, and in the opinions of several other people out there. So if you are strengthening the soul, then you are strengthening the mind, then you are strengthening the body. Because when you do things that help people, it's like you're giving food to the soul. When you're doing things that help the environment, you are feeding your soul and you are benefiting yourself that way. You're not directly doing something like reading a book, but what you're doing is you are making yourself a better person. And when you make yourself a better person, as cheesy as it sounds, you are strengthening your inner being. And you are strengthening your ability to make decisions. You are strengthening your ability to establish relationships, real, genuine connections with people. And you're strengthening your inner creative self. Because what you're doing when you do this is you are actually contributing to a difference. And this difference is going to start to create a change within you. So when you're making a difference in the world, you are benefiting yourself on multiple levels, and you're benefiting other things in the world. Inside of us, it's like we have a little pit that says, I need to do something for somebody else. And we can close this pit off and make it completely and utterly our selfish desires. But is that what you really want? Is what you really want to just only care about you? Or do you want to care about that thing inside of you that you've always cared about since you were a kid? You've always looked at that one little problem there is with the world and thought to yourself, how can I make a difference to this? Well, in order to make a difference to this, I need to have X amount of money. Now, what I'm doing is I am giving you guys an opportunity to take that idea and throw it out today. I'm giving you an opportunity to think, what if there's a way that you can contribute to that problem that you see with having little to no money? So I want you guys to start thinking about this, start thinking outside of the box on ways that you can contribute. And comment below, let me know what you guys think, if you guys think there is a way for you to make a difference, because I would love to hear that. I would love to be able to inspire you to actually go out there and make a difference in the world. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Please leave me a nice comment below. Let me know if this actually made a difference in your life or somebody you know's life. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video with a friend. Tell them my content is out here. I would love for you guys to share it, and I know it benefits you guys to watch this content. So thank you again for watching, guys. Bye.